Hey Sweetsters, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification for updates. We're going to go ahead and do the Cricut tutorial that comes with the heat press. What you're going to need is your heat press set to 290 degrees Fahrenheit, preheated. You're going to also need the green Cricut C that comes with it, as well as your bag. This here is like a burlap type of bag. First we're going to go ahead and iron the bag so that there's no creases in it. As you can see, I like to do mine on top of a towel. This is just a normal bath towel. That, or you can invest in a heat press mat. I kind of think those are a little pointless for something as easy as a towel, but you know, to each his own. Next, after we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and place our C where we would like it. If you could put it a little crooked, you could put it straight, whatever your choice is. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay a piece of parchment paper over. This is so that we can prevent the vinyl itself as well as the bag from burning, because the heat press will be on it for a while. And we're going to go ahead and have it set on top for 30 seconds. You press the little timer button in the right hand corner and you want to push down on it just slightly, not too much. You don't want to add too much pressure, but you also don't want it to be too light. This is going to make sure that it's going to give it an even heat throughout the whole project. And once that timer comes on, go ahead and pick up the heat press and put it back on the stand. Then we're going to go ahead and turn the bag over, and we're going to just heat this up a little bit as well. That way we can make sure that the adhesive on the back of the vinyl sticks very well to the project that you're working on. For instance, this is the bag. For some cases like this one, we don't have to let it sit for the full 30 seconds. I like to put the timer on anyways, that way I have a reminder of how long I'm holding it for. Now let's go ahead and easily pull off the plastic covering of this. You want to do it slowly to make sure you're not peeling any of the vinyl off and making sure that it is adhered very well to your project. And awesome, this came out really great. The vinyl itself is very glittery and shiny. It looks like it's a really good material. I like the fact that I can kind of bend the bag and it's not going to damage the vinyl. And I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.